Okay, today on Canteen Cup Tuesday, I got $3 and I got a dollar store down the street and absolutely no business trying to make chicken Alfredo. But y'all know that I'm gonna do it anyway. So let's see if this turns into a creamy Alfredo masterpiece or whether it turns into wall spackling paste. Let's go. Welcome back to another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. As always, I am your host, Matt the Old Floor Boy. Today, we're going to do another installment in the Po' Boy series because the Po' Boy Swamp Stew worked out really, really good and it was really, really tasty. So we're going to do another installment of the Po' Boy series because what happens if you po? Times are tough. You know, what happens if you only got $3? Plus, this is a great camp meal and trail meal that we're going to put in Old Faithful here. So went down to the Dollar Tree and I'm walking through the Dollar Tree and I saw something really interesting and it's this. Time-wise, Chicken Alfredo penny pasta. And I was thinking, that looks terrible. That's something that would be great in Canteen Cup Tuesday. But you see, the important thing is, cook ready in 60 seconds. And anything that takes 60 to 90 seconds to cook, it's already cooked. So it looks good on the package. So there's some kind of Alfredo penny pasta in there. It looks like that on the bottom. And it feels kind of juicy. I don't know. I don't know whether this is thick enough or not. So we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna add a can of ordinary creamy white chicken. It says $1.25, but the Dollar Tree ain't the Dollar Tree no more, and it ain't the $1.25 tree, it's the $1.50 tree. So this was the $1.50, and this was the $1.50. Po' Boy Chicken Alfredo, $3. $3. What can we make for $3? Let's go try it out. All right, so we're back here on the back porch. We ain't on the workbench of death today, because I thought it would be a lot better on the back porch. And you guys, I still can't go start a fire or use any open fire out in the woods because we're still in a drought, still under red flag warnings. And it's kind of raining on and off at the coast here, so it ain't too fun. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to get our stove and a Canteen Cup stove. And y'all don't give me no flack about not having no shoes on. Y'all know that I never had no shoes on. So what do you expect? I'm an old redneck. And we're going to use our Canteen Cup alcohol stove here. Do about a half, okay? And then let's try a couple of these Strike Anywhere matches from the Marbles match case video. That's a great match case. If you don't have a Marbles match case, watch my video on it and order one. It's great. So let's see what we got. I love these. These are so cool. Strike Anywheres. Who knew? All right, what we're going to do is I'm going to put on the simmer ring from the start. And that's going to really, really help as soon as this blooms up. Because I don't want to cook this, with the flamethrower. Jeez, a little breezy back here. I don't want to cook that with the flamethrower. And I can't really see it. So we're going to put the simmering on. Woo! That's lit. All right. Put the simmer ring on. Now, I think y'all can still see. I'm just going to, we got the time-wise. I really don't know how this is going to be. It could be epic, or it could be like really bad. Ooh. Ooh, that's garlicky. Holy cow. All right. So, all right, we got a bag of something here. There we go. We got a bag of really garlicky penny pasta that's probably already cooked. Okay, so it ain't a lot. It makes not even half the canteen cup full. So I'm just gonna put that on there. kind of warm that up. And remember, we're working with our wonderful Dollar Tree cutlery set. I don't know whether I'm going to need a spoon or a fork, but while that's heating up, it's already sizzling. I got to take it off. So I'm going to go drain this chicken real quick, and then we'll be back. All right, here we go with the chicken. The stove should be fully bloomed. This could be like the ultimate quickie trail meal. And y'all stay tuned tomorrow. I'm going to do another little video. And I have an announcement about Canteen Cup Tuesday. You're not going to want to miss that. Sometime tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to do a little 2 or 3 minute short. And I think you're going to be really interested in what's going to go on with Canteen Cup Tuesday. You know, this ain't looking bad. Let's get it out here. Okay. We're going to put the cover on. But here we go. We're cooking and kind of in real time here. Woo! You know, actually, this is not looking too bad. And this is with the simmer ring on. If this was cooking with the flamethrower on, it would just be destroyed. Alright, so I'm going to warm this up, and then I'll show you what we're working with. Alright, let's take a look and see how we're doing. Man. Woohoo! You know, in retrospect, and I do that a lot. I did a lot of, I should have done this and I should have done that. That's why I do this, so y'all don't have to. You can make it right the first time. So in retrospect, I should have used some of the chicken water and put it in there, because it ain't as juicy as it was in the pouch. It's kind of thickening up. Okay, it's warming right up. Warming right up. We're going to be ready for this soon, so I'll be right back. All right, I decided to add a little bit of water because I thought we needed a little bit more Alfredo sauce. And I didn't really want it to burn, stick on the bottom. You know, you want it to heat, you don't want it to burn. So, I'm actually not looking too bad. It's warming up. Yeah, it is. Okay, still got a few more minutes to go. The simmering concept is working perfectly. The handles are not hot. My stuff's cooking up. I don't have a flamethrower going. That's a great stove combination. So I think one more checkup and then we're going to try this. All right, let's see how we doing on our improvised po' boy chicken Alfredo for $3. Man, there's a lot of chicken in there for that little can. All right, let's see how warm the broth is. Woo, that's hot. You know, and you can see it bubbling. That's the simmering working exactly how I planned and exactly how I need it to work. Now you can cook something like this without burning it up. Now, if I was doing coffee or something, I would not have the simmering on, because you want to flash heat that water as soon as possible. You know, I think this is just about ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off, and then I'm going to show you the finished product, and we're going to give it a little taste test. Woo. Po' boy chicken Alfredo. Let's see what we got. Woo. I don't know what you can see. Makes about half of the canteen cup. I did have to drain a little bit of the water out. Ooh, it's still smoking. Ooh. Let's give it a taste. You know, it smelled really garlicky when I took it out the case. It's not really too garlicky anymore. Man, you could do 2 of those in here, and a bigger can of chicken. You know, I know you see it over here. Nothing would ever be complete without our friend Cristal hot sauce. Y'all know me, just a drop. I don't know how much to put in chicken Alfredo, so let's do this. this red chicken Alfredo now. I thought it was really garlicky out of the package, but actually it's not too spicy now. So that's what we're working with. We got pasta and we got chicken and we got hot sauce. So let's check this out. Oh man, it's hot. Woo! Man, that simmering works so good. It's unbelievable how good the simmering works. And I used some of my Strike Anywhere matches from the Marbles Match Case video. That's a great video. So here we go. Another installment in the Po' Boy series. If you only got $3, you can get some good lunch. Plus, this is going to be a really good trail meal because all you do is dump it in there and heat it up. Actually, I need some more of this. Woo! All right. Oh, ooh, man, the hot sauce really wakes up the garlic in this. All right. Po' Boy, Chicken Alfredo. Man, that comes out great. Very easy trail meal. Plus, you can have it in town if you want to. You could cook it in a pot or you could do it on a canteen cup. So, here's my rendition of Po' Boy Chicken Alfredo. Once again, if you like this video and you would like to see more videos like this, please drop down, hit the subscribe button, leave me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment on the video and tell me what you would want to see. Remember, there's going to be an announcement tomorrow about Canteen Cup Tuesday, and you're not going to want to miss it. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. So once again, here we are with Po' Boy Chicken Alfredo. This is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I will see you on the trail.